Welcome everyone to our show. Today, we will take you through an exploration of the manufacturing technology behind industrial borescope tubes. We use an advanced computer-controlled laser cutting machine to ensure precise production of the tubes, with operators setting exact cutting parameters through software to meet high-quality standards. This advanced technology not only enhances product quality and reduces material waste, but also boosts production efficiency. Importantly, it allows us to quickly customize tubes of different specifications according to customer needs, meeting the diverse demands of the market. Safety is our top priority during the manufacturing process. We have implemented effective protective measures to ensure the safety of our employees. This laser cutting technology not only provides high precision in our products, but also meets personalized customer demands, offering reliable tools for maintenance inspections. We take pride in being able to provide such high standard products and services and hope that today's introduction gives you a deeper understanding of the manufacturing process for industrial borescopes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to your feedback and continued interest in our updates.